Why do cats lick their fur? Have you ever wondered? Opening question. Why do cats love licking their fur? Keeping the body clean. Wow! Cats lick their fur to stay clean. Cooling the body. Licking helps cats cool down on hot days. Scent marking. It's how cats spread their own scent. Feeling safe and relaxed. Licking helps cats feel relaxed and safe. Important note. Too much licking can be a sign of stress. Summary. Cat licking helps keeping the body clean, cooling the body, scent marking, feeling safe and relaxed. See you next time. Meow.